Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. Okay, so आज का वीडियो होने वाला है related to makeup and if you're a beginner, this video is going to be really helpful. I'm telling you, क्योंकि जो भी यहाँ पे makeup है ना मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा reasonable है and of course good quality का है. So I'm not saying कि अगर ये सस्ता है तो अच्छा नहीं है. All of these products have been my favorite since like a very long time and I am so happy that I'm about to share all of these, like some of my favorites today with you. Okay, so I bought everything from Amazon. So it's basically an Amazon beauty haul video. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. And yes, before I go to the video, I just want to tell you that Amazon has started their wardrobe refresh sale from 18th of December. So make sure to check out all the offers. I mean, offers are really great. You're getting such good discounts on fashion, beauty, electronics, on basically everything. But today in this video, हम beauty से related बात करेंगे. Okay. I'm gonna start with Maybelline products because जब एक reasonable और अच्छे brand की बात आती है ना makeup में, Maybelline is my go-to. Like first thing that I got is a mascara. This is the Colossal Mascara and it's waterproof. I know काफ़ी लोगों को शायद waterproof पसंद ना हो, but I personally love waterproof mascara. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता बिल्कुल भी मेरा mascara हिले मेरी lashes से. And so yeah, this one retails for $3.99 but I got it for this price, which is such a good deal. And yeah, I love this mascara. You can see the difference on the screen, like you know that this mascara makes. It's such a good product, especially when you're a beginner and you don't want to spend on, you know, those luxurious brands that offers mascara and everything. You can definitely check out Maybelline. Next product that I picked up from Maybelline is the Colossal liner. It's actually a pen eyeliner and this is how it is. I am so surprised. Like I think Maybelline का eyeliner मैंने use किया हुआ है but ऐसा pen वाला नहीं. And it, look at this, like the consistency of it. एक ही swipe में ना इतना black है ये. Plus I think it's just amazing and it's gonna be my favorite for long time. You can see how it looks on my eyes and everything. I absolutely love this eyeliner. Next product that I picked up is this palette by Maybelline again. This is the blushed nudes. इससे पहले मेरे पास ना इनका वो brown वाला एक सबसे पहले जो nude करके एक palette आया था वो था. नए eyeshadow palette की खुशी एक अलग ही होती है you guys. It comes with this tiny brush. I love these kind of brushes to do my under eyes बोल रही हूँ, to do my inner corners of the eyes. And these are the shades. Aren't these gorgeous? Like as you can see, as the name suggests, these are blushed nudes. I love that they have given like this dark brown tone as well, so you have like, you know, good options. Now next, if we are talking about eyeshadow palettes, so I'm gonna talk about one more. This one is by Lakme Absolute, and you guys, Lakme is offering so much discount on all of their beauty products, so you should definitely check out. This is how the palette looks like. Now I collaborated with Lakme like long back and they sent me 2 of their palettes like from the same collection, ठीक है. And ये ना बहुत अच्छा pigmentation है इन palettes का, and I was like, I mean, look at these shades. I'll tell you why I got it. So with every matte shade here, you are getting like, you know, these glittery shades as well. For this as well, like it has this tiny mirror. It goes perfectly, I mean it shows perfectly while you're doing your eye makeup. I absolutely love the packaging. I mean it's quite thoughtful too. मुझे लगता है कि हर आई शैडो पैलेट में मिरर होना चाहिए बट हर कोई नहीं देता है, बट दे हैव गिवन इट लाइक दिस पतला सा just so that you can see your eyes properly. So I think that it's really good. And इसका जो अभी प्राइस ही अवेलेबल है ना Amazon पे, it's very less you guys, तो आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो इसको. Now if you'll ask me, उन दोनों में से कोई एक ही पैलेट लेना है आपको एंड यू आर अ बिगनर, तो आई विल सजेस्ट गो फॉर दिस लैक्मे वन बिकॉज इट हैज़ मोर कलर ऑप्शंस एंड इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ यू नो लाइक कलर वेरिएशंस बहुत ज़्यादा है उसमें. पिंक एंड ब्राउन्स के टोन ही है ज़्यादातर, बट दिस वन हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कलर वेरिएशंस. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जिसके बारे में आई थिंक मैं बहुत ही बार लाइक आई थिंक मिलियंस ऑफ टाइम्स आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट इज दिस कंसीलर. दिस इज बाय LA Pro Girl एंड आई एम इन द शेड प्योर बेज. सो अगर आपको आई मीन if you know nothing about concealers, okay, and if you just want to start with concealers, go for this one. I am telling you, you will not wanna switch. मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा रीजनेबल भी नहीं लगता है बिकॉज इट कॉस्ट लाइक यू नो 695 रुपीज़ एंड इसमें बहुत कम डिस्काउंट आता है. बट Amazon इज़ ऑफरिंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑन दिस, तो दिस इज़ अमेजिंग. सो मेरे पास अभी पूरा ट्यूब पड़ा है, मैंने सोचा फिर से स्टॉक करके रख लेती हूँ क्योंकि आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड मेरा मन ही नहीं करता मतलब कि मैं और किसी कंसीलर पे स्विच करूँ क्योंकि ये मेरे को इतना अच्छा सूट करता है स्किन पे एंड इट ब्लेंड्स वेरी इजीली. इनफैक्ट अभी भी लाइक इस लुक में भी आई हैव जस्ट अप्लाइड कंसीलर, नो फाउंडेशन, नथिंग, सो इट वर्क्स लाइक वंडर्स फॉर मी. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट वी हैव काफ़ी ज़्यादा ना वो इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है मुझे प्रोडक्ट बड़े ही टाइम से. सो दिस इज़ बाय अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड जस्ट हर्ब्स. ओके, सो आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट कि ये भी अमेजोन पे अवेलेबल है. सो दे हैव दीज माइक्रो मिनी ट्रायल किट लिपस्टिक्स हैं, ये बहुत ही छोटी छोटी. आई मीन look at this, this is the size of the lipstick that they're offering and you have like I think how many lipsticks are there, 15 or 20 lipsticks are there and मुझे लगता है it's such a good way to go, especially if you're a beginner. Of course you don't want to spend a lot on lipsticks, right? Are herbal as they say, so they you know actually nourish your lips as well. You just get this much of product in one lipstick. This is the like texture of it, it's very creamy, so I think ये काफ़ी nourish करेगा हमारे lips को, like it will work as you know lip balm as well. So yeah, you can see how the color looks on me. I'm gonna apply one of these, so it's on the screen, you can check it out. Now this one retails for, let me see the MRP of it, 575, okay, and I got such a good deal on it. I got it in this price on Amazon, which is you guys amazing. Okay, next and the last product that I want to talk about is actually not related to makeup but your personal care, but I absolutely love this product. Okay, so this is like a roll-on by Dove. जो दूसरे बहुत सारे रोल-ऑन्स आते हैं मार्केट में, but they have some kind of alcohol content and it makes your armpits like very sticky and बड़ा ही अजीब सा लगता है like armpits पे कुछ भी लगा के. But this one my friend, it's actually a moisturizing cream sort of, but if you apply it your armpits won't smell bad. like मेरे लिए तो ये पूरा दिन वर्क करता है and plus इसका जो texture है ना, it's so freaking good. This is how it is. It's like a very moisturizing cream, you can't even see it, that's the good part. It's just you know it just gives you a very fresh feel. I mean I love its fragrance, ऐसे लगता है बिल्कुल अभी अभी हम नहा के बाहर आए हैं, इतनी fresh fragrance है इसकी. So yeah, that was it about today's video. I really hope that you guys found it helpful and if this was your first time watching my video, please make sure कि आप like कर दो, comment कर दो and subscribe भी कर देना because बहुत सारे videos आने वाले हैं and there is something that I want to share with you guys. It's very personal but I just cannot wait because I know you all will be very excited about it. So if you want to guess what I'm talking about, you can guess it in the comments अगर यहाँ तक कोई वीडियो देख रहा है तो. But yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found this helpful. जो भी links है ना, जो भी products मैंने दिखाए सबका link description में है, so make sure you check it out. Let me know अगर आपने इसमें से कुछ product use किया है कि नहीं. I'm damn sure काफ़ी लोगों ने किया होगा because these are like OG products. So yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Make sure you shop on Amazon because the discounts are like really amazing and I will see you guys super soon in my next video.